Hello, and thanks for stopping by and watching my video. My name is Jen. If you are new to my channel, I do a lot of fashion boxes, mostly clothing videos, because I think it's fun and delightful to do. Some of them are well known, some of them are less well known. The companies that I do videos on, I actually find the less well known ones to be more fun because it's just, you know, you kind of don't know what to expect. It's informing people. I was always very hungry to see what new types of boxes were out there on other people's channels. So if you're interested in seeing that type of thing, hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell button for notifications on when I post. So today I am doing unboxing of Material World. What Material World is, it's similar to all the other subscription boxes. This one actually has a $25 a month styling fee that does apply to anything you buy, but it's used store items. I did this box a month or two ago. I didn't post the video because the lighting quality was terrible. And it was just kind of horrible. The clothes I got were just not my style. And they seemed, a lot of it seemed really dated. And then it was still expensive. It was still $100 for a pair of jeans. It's like when you can go to ThredUp or get clothes from Thrift to you, why would I do that? Why? So I actually tried to cancel after the first month, and they offered me to try a second month with them waiving the styling fee. So I'm trying it again, and you know, I basically pointed them towards my Pinterest to get my style better and said, you know, keep the cost as low as possible. We'll see what we have here. I have no idea. I didn't interact with the stylist other than, you know, that interaction about my cancellation. So let's give it a try. Okay, I set all the paperwork aside for now. We'll go over that at the end of the video. We'll just get to the clothing items first. They're all they come individually wrapped. I never know if I'm supposed to keep these barcodes unripped. Totally just ripped it, so. But I just don't want to take forever getting this open. Okay, first up we have a gray long sleeve blouse, a very flowy blouse, a V-neck with some pockets in the front. It is size extra small. It looks kind of large, but you know, I think it's supposed to be a large flowy top. And I like it. You know, I think it would, you know, look nice with some black dress pants, and I could wear this to work, so I like it. Next up, oh, what is this? We have, I guess this would be like a shirt dress, or is this a tunic? I don't really know exactly what this is. It came with a belt. You know, it's kind of a half sleeve and button up. It's got to be a tunic. I think it's a tunic. I don't know. We'll see when we get it on. Next up, we have this pink business type dress. It's a very thick material. I imagine, you know, seems like it's very good quality. It's also very pink, so I don't know what I feel about the color, but you know, we'll see if I just decide I love it when it's on. Okay, next up we have a pair of dark wash skinny jeans. They have kind of white speckles throughout, which I haven't really seen that before. You know, I don't know what I think of that, but it is something different, you know, than a regular plain skinny jeans. So, you know, we'll see. Ooh, I see we have a pair of shoes. I got it here wrapped on the bag. It feels like sandals. Oh, okay. So it's just a simple brown leather sandal with a bright yellow cord around the top and a tie in the back. First impression is, I don't know. It's just, I don't understand this bright yellow piece on it. I don't love that. Okay, let's try it all on. First up, we have the jeans and the gray top. The gray top is just all sorts of kinds of big. I know it's supposed to be flowy, but it just feels, I mean, the arms are just huge. the whole thing, it feels like I'm wearing, like I'm a little girl wearing my mom's shirt. It's just huge. I don't love it. Jeans. I still don't know what I feel about the speckled white in it. But really my main issue with these is there's no stretch on them. Just no stretch. So they just feel tight and constricting and just, there's just no stretch. They're also not petite, so I have the ends rolled on these. So far, not loving anything. So let's keep trying what they've sent. Next up is this dress. I'm deciding it's a shirt dress. This is the belt that comes on it. Like what's happening here? So my best guess is I'm supposed to like wrap it around twice, I guess. And let's see if that fits. No. The holes stop here. Here's where I need it to stop, and I can't. Am I supposed to wrap it around a third? It doesn't wrap around a third time. I don't. What? So, I mean, it's okay. The dress, there's certainly nothing I love about it. And then this belt does not fit. I don't know who it fits. I don't know what it's supposed to do. It's a fail. Okay, let's try on the last dress. And then we have this dress. It fits really well. Very snug, but not too snug. Fits well, feels good. My only issue is, again, it's just really pink. My husband likes it. He doesn't mind. It's a bright flash of pink, apparently, but I don't know. It just may be a little bit too low for me. So let's go over prices now. I didn't even bother trying on the shoes. I wasn't into them, so not even worth it. But let's go over the prices for everything. So this dress is the Diane von Furstenberg dress. It's $64. The shirt dress is a Theory dress, and it's $55. The gray blouse is the Joie Blouse. It's $55. The jeans are called A.P.C pants. They're $55. And the sandals are called C by Chloe Sandals, and they're $80. So the whole box total comes to $308. If you buy all 5, you get a 20% discount, which is $61.80, and that leaves your total to be $247.20. So this is all used clothing. These are the prices on used clothing. I understand that these are, you know, premium brands, and so obviously they're very discounted from their original prices. I'm not that into brands, so I don't really care what the brand name on something is, although I do, you know, I appreciate something that's good quality. So I think there's just nothing here I'm willing to pay that much for. There was nothing I absolutely loved. Some of these pieces were a bit weird, so I think it's a 0 for 5 twice in a row. I will be canceling again. So I'm glad I tried it. I'm really appreciative to Material World for, you know, offering a free box for me to try it again. That was really generous. Other people who are interested in these brands might want to hop right onto it. At this point, if I want thrift clothes and I want a stylist to style me, I'll stick with Thrift to You. I'll link a link to both Material World and Thrift to You below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye.